Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued an urban and small stream flood advisory for minor flooding at poor drainage areas in central Duval County in northeast Florida. This includes the cities of Ponte, Talbot Island, Mayport, Jacksonville Beach, downtown Jacksonville, Arlington, extreme northern St. Johns County in northeast Florida. This includes the city of Ponte, Verda Beach. Until 10 o'clock p.m. At 8:06 p.m. Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain, with hourly rainfall rates in excess of 2 inches per hour, falling over central and eastern portions of Duval County. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the advisory area during the next few hours. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Remember, turn around, don't drown. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Flood waters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. To report flooding, have the nearest law enforcement agency relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio or television stations, or cable television for any updates or flood warnings. For additional information, visit the National Weather Service in Jacksonville website on the internet at weather.gov/jax.